Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we've been parting out more and more sets lately, and we're actually running out of storage. So we were looking at some ideas and we found the Alex drawers at Ikea. One issue with them is that the drawers only come out so far. It's hard to get into the back. So my husband, being curious, went on YouTube and he found a video by Candace Victoria. So thank you, Candace. And she showed us how we can actually move the sliders to get us some more space. Now we can get into the back. So, like them so much, we actually did this with two of them. A little more detail on how this is actually done. I'm going to throw to my husband into the garage and he'll show you some details.
Okay, so we want to extend the Alex drawers. The first thing we have to do is remove the slides. We've already loosened these two slides, so they're just going to pop off. I'm going to show you how to do that third slide, though, because we've only decided to do the top three drawers. Anyhow, it's real simple. There's a screw here at the back. Out it comes. And there's one here at the front. Out it comes. Remove that slide there. So this is the drawer slide. You can see the two sets here of bearings, another set back here. And it gets caught on this stop, and essentially that's what's stopping the drawer from going any further. What we're going to do is remove this first set of bearings, a little bit of this plastic that the bearings are encased in. Going to allow the drawer to pull out further, and we'll stop at this last set of bearings. Okay, so what we do is we're going to slide this back because we got to open this end here. I'm going to use a couple of clamps to hold this. Probably get away with just one, but why bother? Pair of channel pliers. We're going to grab a hold of this end and bend it back. And then this other end here, and bend it. Okay, so now with that done, release the clamps, and hopefully we've opened it far enough that we can work that up. And it might be tight, you might have to lift a little bit, but no, it doesn't look like I've opened it far enough, so we'll go back to the drawing board. Open it a little more. It's almost there. There we go. Had to lift it up a little bit over those teeth on the bottom. You slide it out, and there's our bearings cased in the plastic, like I said. Okay, to get it out here, you don't want to go too far. You're going to bend this plastic back. This is the fun part. You're going to lose those bearings. It's not a big deal because we're not going to use them anymore. This will void the warranty. See how that plastic is starting to stress and break there? We're going to play on that. Go into a big heavy glove because this is pretty bad here. I'm sure somebody else can come up with a better way of doing this. But what I'm going to do is bend that down, take this hacksaw, and work that plastic until I get it to a point that it just breaks off. And you put the slider back in, remove the glove, and we got to close this back up. Test your slider, and there you go. I bring over another one. You can see how much further that slides out. And that's going to make a lot of difference, especially with these top drawers that are much narrower than the bottom drawers.
And so they're done. That's how it's done. You can see, comes out pretty easy. Really have the ability to get to the back, those small pieces there. Love it. Extra space is always good. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.